All right, so we are now looking at this setup. We've got the 450 resistance. We've got a little bit of a bear flag forming here, right? We sold down, getting tight. We had this move down from the 540s down there to the 440s. And we are just kind of sitting back here waiting and watching. We're holding this low down here. I think if we get above 450, we can get a nice little reaction back up there, 480, 490. So let's just kind of watch right here at the 450. The great part about this is we break above 450, we know there's at least like a 20, 30 point pop to the upside. If we break to the downside, we know there's a downside potential as well. So we can basically just play this for a break momentum-wise, right? So the momentum here, looking for a break back above the 50s is where I'm looking to get long here. I'm going to grab it right there long and look to sell up to this push in the 70, 80s. I'm not going to get greedy here. The overall trend is down, but we're trading momentum, obviously. So there's that break of the 50s straight up here now. Looking for that 70 push right away here. Take some profit there at the 70s. Beautiful. Again, not being greedy, taking some more profit there. There we go again. Don't want to be too greedy. But we saw that big resistance there at the 50s, and there's that push straight up here now to the 80s. And yeah, we locked it all in. So 30 points straight up there to the 80s. You got to love it. Look at this thing. Again, momentum is your friend. What do you know? You know that we have kind of a triple bottom setup there, right? The W, do-do. We have a lot of things going on. We have this flag thingy majiggy, this channel, microphone, whatever you want to call it. And we can clearly see that we're not breaking to the downside. We're just not getting down. We're getting tighter and tighter. So when the market gets really, really tight there, what do we expect? Really, really tight. It's building, and then momentum comes in, and guess what? The momentum takes us higher. So that's exactly what we're looking for. This is basically just the idea of a lot of stop losses sitting there at that level as well. So you got a lot of stops sitting right there. You know, 450 stops are sitting there. They're trying to keep it down. People are shorting, thinking this is going to be a bear flag. Remember, the market loves to fake out, right? It loves to do fake outs. Even though this is overall bearish, the overall move is bearish, the trend is down, I know that if we pop above that key level, being the 50s, that it's good for 20, 30 points. But look, it was actually good for over 50 points. It pushed all the way up there to the 510s. I took profit early, obviously, but look at this setup there, right? That's a beautiful setup. And all we're doing is we're waiting. We're just waiting, right? I'm just sitting there waiting. Like, if we break to the upside, all I have to do is take profit. Or I guess jump in and take profit. Look for the trade, right? Beautiful move there. Now up there to the 80s. Trying to push up. But in general, this is the best part about trading momentum, right? This is the best part about trading momentum. I tell people all the time, like, this really is the best part of trading momentum. You really got to love it. Now, right now, pulling back here. So, looks like the bears are still in control. Back to the 50s. Look at that. And again, retesting that 50 level. Look at how that played out. Will the bulls step in here, hold that 50 level? That's the million-dollar question. Look at it. Back right up there to the 70s again. Momentum. Now the bears, the bulls are battling here. That 480 area, key level. Longs look better above the 480s, obviously, for another flag breakout to try to push up there towards the VWAP, towards the 600s. So that's kind of how it played out. Showing you guys these quick little tidbits. That 50 area broke 50 points to the upside.